Hello again, everyone. This is me, Ashana. We have a shoes and bag factory for interview tomorrow, 5:25 Saturday. The job description for this is manufacturing and processing of shoes and bags. This is located in Yoshikawa City in Saitama. So we're looking for 5 people for this, and the salary for this would be starting from 200,000 yen to 250,000 yen. There will be bonus also for this job. So if you are willing to apply for this, again, this is a shoes and bag manufacturing and processing. So located in Yoshikawa City in Saitama. So we are looking for 5 people. So anyone who are interested to apply for this job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, 5:25 Saturday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So anyone, you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 03620-68058. We also have visa support. So anyone who are looking for a visa support or change of visa, change of job, change of visa, please let us know. You can call our office number, or you can also comment down below. Thank you.